In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth device, so like a phone, a computer, to your Yamaha AV receiver. I'll show you how to do it in case you have the remote control, or if you lost your remote control, I'll also show you how to do it using the buttons that are on the unit itself. So the first step is to turn on the unit. And I'll show you first without a remote control. So what you need to do is to go into the Bluetooth menu, which is by choosing these inputs here. Just tap on these buttons until you see Bluetooth. Now it may be searching already, or it may not be searching. To put the receiver in pairing mode, you just have to hold this memory button during 3 or 4 seconds. Until you see on the screen that it entered pairing mode, like this. And once it's in pairing mode, what you're going to do is take the device that you want to connect and go into the Bluetooth settings, pair a new device, and you should see the receiver, here we go, appearing. Mine is the RX-V385, yours may be another number, but it should appear over there. It should ask you if you want to pair it, click pair, and you should have the confirmation message appearing on the screen. Now let's do it with the remote control. And what's different with the remote control is that you're able to unpair devices much easier. So if you bought this receiver used and there is something else connected to it, well, you need to disconnect it first before pairing it with your phone. So to do so, you're going to click on the option menu over here, option button. You're going to go down, 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 until you see disconnect. Then you're going to press enter, and you're going to see disconnected. So any devices that were previously connected, maybe they are yours, maybe they're not yours, they won't be connected anymore. Next, what you need to do is, you see the setup button here, tap on it, then go down, down, down again, down, until you see Bluetooth, then press the right side arrow and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. If it's turned off, just press the right side arrow and you'll be able to switch between on and off. Once you're sure it's on, you're going to press the play button, this on the remote control, during 3 seconds. And it will become pairing mode again, just the way we did it previously. And now you have to do the same thing, go on your phone and select the AV receiver, Yamaha, and with the number of your model. So this is how you connect your phone or any other devices with Bluetooth to your Yamaha AV receiver. If this was helpful, please leave a like. Also comment down below and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching.